Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye. Enjoy.
Get up, Connor.
Mommy.
What kind of slackness? What kind of slackness do they keep up? Mister, what kind of slackness do they keep up?
I don't know.
What's what mask come here today, boat?
In combo ice water and that.
In combo ice water and you in combo ice water.
Yes.
He say in a ear and he come here and he stop you forget look at ice water. And you dey put argument to him, what kind of style that?
I put no argument to him, mommy.
What you dey do?
I put no argument to him.
Where they do, Kayla? Look here, look me man.
Me never dey look him, him now look.
What you mean him a look here? A liar tell her you a look him.
No, mommy. Me never dey put no argument to him.
Hey,
Mommy,
don't touch me.
Mommy never put no argument to him, mommy.
Hey, you. No, you. You subscribe already?
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Wait, then. This say you don't look like you're sleeping from morning. Kayla, come here. Me can't understand this.
Yes, mommy.
You don't sleep up from morning.
No.
Alright, Kayla. Sleep up here for me. Sleep up here.
Help me out, mommy.
Because me really not understand. It look like you purposely they do this.
No.
It's like at this you want to do. You want to get up a morning time and sweep yard and something. You left school you don't have nothing at all to do.
Mommy, no, I get up every day and sweep yard. I have to sweep yard because I don't look good.
Exactly, but me no want you they lift on this. We say okay then. You don't go get up and sweep yard every day and every morning you get up here for do this. Me tell her say out I borrow me day at work. Instead of for they get somebody else to come do the work, you know say me and the boss a friend, right? You can't come when time me get week off, you go and go do the next week.
Mommy, me no want to do no bar work.
So if you don't want to do bar work, what you do? You know what a man come a bar evening time and sitting. You know you want a big man with the left they come a bar Kayla. Even if you're no big man, you know wonder if you know where you really are going in the street and all Kayla.
No, mommy, me no got rub, me no want to bar.
You know where you miss? Listen to what me I tell you say. A man never come a bar they had their money, especially that the bar day. You understand? Them pocket full of money, them bank account full of money. A BX4 and 550 series and GL and they come back up there. Be a 2020 and 2022 vehicle and sitting out there. You need to get your act together.
No want no man, me no want to buy work.
Alright, so you don't want no bar work where you want. Pick a choice.
Me want a nice good job, decent
And you
job.
sit down every day you not do nothing. You get up me if you call a man in time for sweep yard and sitting. That not go nowhere. Get your act together and I go tell the boss say. You go come out there because out there they come work.
And me don't want to buy work.
Listen to me. Them opportunity not supposed to miss you. You don't notice me? You ever see me go broke? Eh? Look for the place. Where you think the Billy? Eh? Where you think the Billy?
Mommy, help me and get a decent job. One store job.
Store job, you know how much for minimum wage? You know how much about work up here? Eh?
Mommy, me no want.
You don't have a choice. At this point in time, you don't have a choice. You hear me say?
No want no buy work.
Look
Then
here.
everybody go to look for me one way in a neighborhood.
Everybody a look okay, everybody a look for you, but when you step up in a life now and you go and you watch what people say, if me didn't worry about what people are say, me would have this. You hear me say? And you're quite comfortable. You hear me say? And see right there? As somebody me want to go take you run taxi on road. You hear? So you're careful. Think about where they do. Go sweep up yard and not give me no argument. Eh?
Father God help me. Help me God.
No, where they tell me say. Get your act together, yeah?
Sure say be my good out also.
It's fine.
Oh, okay. No. Can't bother for food next time, you know?
Listen, this is the reason me never make you come pack it in the yard. It's because the breeze are blowing something, you see have the mango.
Well,
the
I'm not saying
mango
nothing,
and
I just want to know say you see
yeah.
about this.
So no worries, nobody not do nothing. I tell her the car good man, you worry about it. I only put Jillian and Bim and something pack out, that's just the same thing, you know.
But just now nobody to move with you, see me problem.
Nobody not trouble your car. Me know say it's a 2022 BMW, it's good. Nobody not do it nothing.
Right.
You understand? Yeah.
No
The
problem.
only reason me make you never park it yourself because you see breeze a blow, them something a drop, mango a fly and something. I don't want nothing go mash your windscreen.
Alright then, it's good out there so then, make it go on.
Okay. My daughter.
Oh, daughter this year.
Kayla, it's my daughter.
Nice to meet
Kayla.
you. Kayla.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You alright, baby?
Yeah, me alright. Me just stay here and watch TikTok.
Oh. Alright. You eat already or something?
You know me eat me alright.
Oh. Alright, me I go transact some business with him or something.
Okay.
And then but just stay put. Alright.
Stay right here, so.
Yeah.
And don't move.
Just stay right here, so Kayla.
Okay, don't move.
Kayla,
Yes, mommy?
don't move.
Okay, me not move, mommy.
Alright.
Nice to meet you again, Kayla.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Javia. Hi. Girl. Wow. You don't even believe what just happened again.
What could happen now? How much drug you make?
What happened now? You know what? I know say mommy do this same thing again. Over and over. Me just stay like it. While I come see him coming in, we do a new man. A young boy come like say my scammer. He come like say many boy said the age.
Who your mother for do that, Kayla? So it's a new one this? So you're not the boy in the same age group? Boy, your mother behave terrible. Work in a bar? Your mother aware you how much? I don't understand your mother. I really don't understand your mother. She don't have no respect for you. Me no know. She don't have no respect for you. Me no know.
Really? Yes. No, what kind of lifestyle mommy I live in now? But you don't look good. Girl, I don't know what to tell you because when you I don't know why she did. But me I tell her say. I know next thing mommy talk to me about this morning. Mommy come tell me about she want me come work out a bar, how much big man there bar have GLE and bar. Yes, bar work you man want give me. You can't how much project you. So, you can do something for me. What are?
Alright,
Like how you work at the call center.
Right.
You can't see if I can't get a work or did it with you too.
Go on with your mother. Who fear that so?
Yes. Yes, make sure I can manage it because I don't want no bar work with no one bag of man. And me say, yes, Sally man, what mommy can come to? I'm not to call him man. I could like a little young 18 or 19-year-old young boy. He all rub up my hand. Eh? Yes, alright, yes, group that. Mommy no business. Mommy say think about the money. Money, that's all upon mommy head. And the man all rub down my hand. Yes, come let me know what is what. Yes, you have to. Only God knows.
You sure you can manage it? Alright, no say nothing. I'm going to put in a word for you and if it come true, you know me call you back.
Alright?
God cover you. God cover your mommy. Mommy, where you run? Where you run?
Kayla, what is it?
Oh, me want to talk to you about something.
So me no just left her in her house, Kayla. What you say happen?
Why you have your baby with me, so mommy?
What is it? What me a hurry, Kayla?
I know say I forgot her work, mommy. When I talked to my friend Jennifer yesterday about getting a job, and she say at the call center, and she said she go put in some word for me, so might get the job or might be not. I'm not sure. Mommy, I thought me ask her say if you can make me enroll me in some evening class and get some more stuff.
Stop this so. Stop this so. Full stop. Me nah. Me and you now back and forth and go up and down, but no work and enroll in no evening class.
Come on, talk now, mommy.
Kayla, me I tell you this now. Me and you now back and forth as me say. My days of sending you to class over. D-O-N-E done. Finito. You understand? The amount of money when me spend for Senegal school, Kayla, and you still fail the subject. Where sense? You still fail the subject. Me and you now go down this road again, Kayla.
Can you want a second chance?
Kayla, me give you first, second, third, and fourth. Eh? Me don't have no more. Me don't have no more patience left in me right now.
I get work.
Me I give you a job. You have a choice. Me I give you a job.
I'm like a year work, not mine.
Kayla.
You know what? Let me type a job. Let me type a job there for you.
Kayla.
Not me.
As me say, me I get to work for you.
No,
You say you don't want to work. Me and you now go down that the road there.
So you can't believe in me and your daughter?
Kayla, me believe in you.
No look so.
Yes, me believe in you. Don't say me not believe in you. Me believe in you, and I believe that with your ability, right? You see ability where you have, and a frame of mind where you have, you not go work. You see ability, you know work with the frame of mind where you have. You not go well. You not go well. No, you not go well with the frame of mind where you have, because me I tell you say you have the ability to make money, real time money right now. You understand? You can't go upstairs sooner or later when me get all downstairs are for me. Upstairs are for you. You understand?
Mama,
you have to try invest in something. Matter of fact,
but you
listen.
say, you know, so sometimes I'm busy, you're not good at all.
What you mean say me not good?
Yeah, you work where you want.
Don't talk to me, sir. Don't talk to me, sir.
Mama, tell the truth, mommy.
Truth what? On your mouth one more time, I am saying talk to me, sir. As a matter of fact, me tell you something. Me the hurry, Kayla, me the hurry to go about my business. Look here, me tell you something. You see Swag Boss? Swag Boss. Swag Boss, my friend, when me introduce you to, we drive a BMW.
Oh, true, me never get in name at the time.
Well, me they tell you now. He have one friend where they come down, right? He have one friend that come down, and he don't have nowhere to stay. So he go come down and he go stay in a fear room. He go stay.
In my room?
Me say,
Mommy, I want bed in there.
you don't have no choice. Anywhere at all in your room you want to stay, I go sleep in there on the bed with you.
No, mommy, I'm not expecting to go sleep, but I could never pan the bed.
Kayla, you don't have a choice. You can't dispute that.
In my room.
A fear room are you Billy? And in there I go sleep. And me and you now come to no agreement or no form of disagreement or what. And in the same I sleep. And me don't talk. You can't sleep in a film room, you know. For Swag Boss to come.
Oh.
So, him can't sleep in a film room. So in a fear room I go sleep. And me don't talk.
You can't go home, mommy.
Kayla,
It's
me
not
say
right.
them a come down. A down, them a come down. Them a come.
No, mommy.
You hear me say?
You say them a come down.
Yes, down them a come. And I hear so, them a go stay. I hear so, them a go stay for the night. Even if Swag Boss no come, your friend a go come and in your room and say I can't sleep in a film room. You hear me say? So,
Mommy, you don't right. You can't want. You
me ask you.
can't put man with
me
your
ask-
daughter.
me a put man, me never did a put man with you. Me say him a go, Kayla, me say him a go sleep in your room. Me never say me a put man with you. Me ask you something. Look what, look how much are you making money for go the year? How much I think me pay for do that? Eh? Me give you how much $1,000 for go the year? Plus me have to buy bread. How much money you think you cost to do it? Eh? You count out the whole of money you got here just now and sitting. Look here, no play with me. No play with me. Me have a listen what me I tell you say. Me have a plan and it's a master plan. Work with me. Kayla, work with me. Me not tell you figure no call center go walk up yourself. You have ulcer, all kind of sitting with. You know the consequences for your face with call center. Eh?
Mommy, better than
You know
Barbara.
you're not gonna know way. One level your day, one level of call center your day.
Make me go get the subject them so me can level up.
Me tell you say me done with that now. My days of sending you to school done. You are of age. If you want to go to school, take your look about work. You can do 1 year on there or so. And you don't even have to do a year. You can do 1 2 months and 1 3 months. And take what you can get. And sitting, you know how to scan the money. So you do what you do. And me I teach you. So if you follow me, you can't go wrong.
No,
Alright,
just
it's
let me go
it's
round.
either or either. It is either or either because me don't know, you know. Kayla, you big woman now, you know. Me no supposed to responsible for you. Me school you, me nurture you, me do the right thing for you and sitting. You understand? You are a big woman now. You have to do the right thing. So you say if you no want to stay in there with Swag Boss friend, you leave. Simple put. From here you not go down this road again. Me they got work. And you see before me got work, me have one little transaction fee complete. So you alright, you know, Kayla? You alright. You quite alright.
mother this you have to do, God. I got to tell you. Only you know me, I got you. Cousin. How can JJ? I look so sad. See if you know what me know, you take your book. So you know what me I got through. And get subject. Cause you see me go to school and come out and feel them. No, me have to do wake up yard every day. Every day I have to wake up yard. So you know what me I got through, but too you're young. You can't talk to me no man, me and your cousin. You won't understand, you're very young. Take my foolish advice, go to school and try to get a subject, if I have 2. You understand? Yeah. Yes, because life really hard, life hard out here. Are you from man? Are you from man? Yeah. Oh, you see that you eat, me not eat. That's why if you go to school and take book. The first thing you can go buy a bag to save money. No, that good. But you feed me figure it out. Keep your money. No about me alright. Just a regular day. So Auntie Joy over there? Yeah. You well be able to come out clean this morning though. Auntie, your cousin knows so I come out clean every day no man. Why you have to be come out clean every day? You clean for true. Now look at the colour where you wear too. White. Nobody gonna sit up because you can't wash white.
Hey, sweetie. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yes. Of course, me line up everything, like everything. We make sure to me tell her so when he come, he just go sleep in our room with her and sitting and they know say he do what he need to do from this house and you know. When me talk to her already and sitting and me tell her so he can just shoot the shot, you know. Cause she agree with everything when me say already so no worries and I have no to worry about. Yeah. Oh please, don't worry about that. Me go send her one picture with her and something so you can send to your friend. Alright? So you can tell him I have nothing to worry about and something, you know. My daughter is me can tell her say she's amazing, you know. Nice, slim as you see her, you know her and something so. Yeah, look a petite body. Whatever. Alright, later.
Mommy not here.
No, so she's not here. I don't really come to see her. Can you something say that?
No, you can't tell her.
Alright. Anyways, what I say is that I say I pass from I say I come get look at ice water. Because I know now if you have ice water in the house.
Yes, you have ice
Yeah,
water.
but anyways, differently though other than that, You know, so what there, me forward there and see you look up nice and all of them things. You see me? Me know me and your mother are dealing with, but you know what I put in there.
Me dey have look water while I go figure but the fridge automatically broke down. It now work.
But listen, it's not a bad thing, you see me?
It's a very bad thing. I mean I beg you, you can't sleep out here because mommy not there. Mommy not there, you know she there. I know where come here for.
So just hear me.
No. Come. Go on. Leave out of me yard, cause me not nice water for you. I'm not gonna up me
know. I gotta leave. You see me come now?
Yes.
You make people them come out and look like something over here do.
What is something over here do? Go on.
Hey, listen. Me have my money, you see me? Me think up there, you understand?
Don't with me.
I could have buy a bottle of water out on the road, you see me? But I say true. You done there, so I say me come get a cup of water because I'm even by the fridge, you even claim if you broke down, you see me? But
so
that at least still so ungrateful and still.
So me ungrateful, me I give it.
You know, everything good man, don't watch your face.
Who be come about look people through buy a fridge? Think fridge can get me? Mr. Girl, you don't think I believe I just happened right ago. But he want ice water. No girl, when I tell him no give him the water, but me no bother give him the water because he come and look people and me don't want him. No, me not tell my mother not there. When mommy come here, I tell mommy. I don't care if she want to believe or not. Me I tell her. The man just bright. He just, no. I don't want him. And then I go talk about me ungrateful. Like he ever feed me yet in my life. No, I don't take the money from him. Girl, how are they? Yeah. When me call you over the day that me meet him. So I come talk about ungrateful. I don't take nothing from him. How dare me see him, I beg him nothing either. Girl, I don't know. And then I come talk about fridge and one bag of something. Because I can buy mommy the fridge. Oh, what can I work in do? You a scammer. Scam is scam. And no one of them the money in there. No. Can be a scam my mother talk to. My mother talk to broke pocket boy. I don't know, work past side boy. I don't know, 9 to 5. Scammer, chopper, you have to have jail, Lee, you have to drive big Benz, big beast. Yeah, girl. You think I don't know why I'm driving now. Come in and watch him. Girl. So, by the way, I'm asking something. You know, let up work for me as it because when I try to do this man, when I try to talk to women this man, if he say if he could have sent back to school to get a little subject. So if I know, we can level up and something there. Mommy go in the most embarrassing way. I was so embarrassed. I said, girl, if the earth could have opened up and take me in, I mind take me in, because I'm embarrassed. You won't understand what I go through sometimes. Yeah, girl. Alright, do it after. Later, when I reach home, call me.
Babe, how going? Yeah, you know, say after me talk to you, yeah, because I never remember saying anybody here. That's when me go over here to check for you, isn't me? But when I go over there, I feel look at that and I see over there, man. Yeah, she have put one bag of talk to me and them time for you there. Yeah, I see her, she did out the door there. I see her the last time. Yeah, no, she have put be argument to me and thing. You mean, what kind of argument? You don't know what kind of argument me I talk. I said we clean off and do my park up out the roadside or something and thing, you know. Yeah man, she have put, yeah man, yo, you hear me I say bro. You see me, but anyways, not really make she go on, you see me, because you don't know we clean off and things, so them I want to level up the full standard, you see me. Yeah man. So when my brethren forward in the come more, me and him come around for the ends and we come drink some rum and easy back and you see me? Yeah man, don't worry about that man, that's soft. Alright, look more we talk. Aye. I don't know if I can stay for or something. I don't like the idea, you know, yo. But anyways, it's good, you know, move.
Hey, come here. Get up, come here.
Mommy.
What kind of slackness? What kind of slackness do they keep up? Mister, what kind of slackness do they keep up?
I don't do nothing.
What swag mask come here today, boat?
In combo ice water and that.
In combo ice water. In combo ice water.
Yes.
He say in a ear and he come here and he stop your forget look at ice water. And you da put argument to him, what kind of style that?
I put no argument to him, mommy.
What you they do?
I put no argument
Where they do? Where they do, Kayla? Look here, look me man.
Me never did look him in the
What you mean him a look here? A liar tell her you a look him.
No, mommy. Me never did put no argument to him.
Hey,
Mommy,
don't touch me.
never put no argument to him, mommy.
Yeah, that makes sense. Breeze heavy. Me the one man, me the palm of veranda sit down. Well, I want it done now, cause God knows work man I give me a hard time. I'm like me I have to go get one different work man fee. Finish it up and send. Come well want it done, girl. Want to finish off downstairs, grill up here and sit and then me continue upstairs. Me just want to finish up and sing. And get up here and sing. Yeah, but me there. Yeah. No, so I don't really have nothing planned, but I mean, suck boss, I can check me so. Me there sit down. Trudy, you're too enough. Me can't, you see you? Me can't manage you, no? Honestly, me can't manage you. Yes. Relax yourself, girl. You know, I suck about some new man. What? No. Yes, girl. You know, say having money and something, so. Me I go on, you know. And it might help me out a lot, girl. Me I tell her right now. Me feel like say me want. After me done up the bottom part of you, so me need one carry time. And me have to get it. Me just take me little time, you know. Yeah, so anyway, me have to go call her back because dog boss are pull up, you know. Alright, later.
Oh, good. Everything good.
Yes, so far.
No, some of them are still just. So, you ready for everything?
Me not look like I'm ready.
Oh, they look ready to me. But anyways, you know, say, since we call Andrew short me and Dara tell me say after party and thing, your daughter not do everything good. She run it, she cuss him out so. You know, some don't know what go on.
Hold on, because listen, I don't even want to talk about that because your virgin already leave, you know, and in whatever happened that a film business because me don't tell him say when he come and sit me tell him to make him know so me sleep in a room with my daughter and thing, so whatever it is that transpired, I me not have nothing to do with it. So that a film business. Your virgin not have no style. Him not no style and me don't know if I will lose ball game him want play or whatever, but me not depend that with him.
No, we're still enough for that because he get film time for doing thing and then blow it, you know. You understand? Anyways,
Exactly.
you ready to look at me ready kind of.
Yeah. Kella, come here.
Yes, mommy.
Me not understand you. You not see me here, sir?
Yes.
You not see someone here, sir? So they walk past I go, sir. Where they go?
You're with my friend Javia.
What mean you look for your friend Javian?
I'm going to Javian come back.
Alright, and you see, you look for your friend Javian, you know, tell me. Anyways, me have one money for your pick up. So boss have somebody a friend will send some money and you send the money in your name. So me go want you go pick up your money.
Wait.
Would they listen to what me I say? Whether you go and do it now or tomorrow morning or what, but you need to figure pick up your money.
But mommy, you look for my friend Javian. We can do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright, we will come back.
Me I go and river and come back, so do the right thing. And careful on the road.
Okay, see you soon.
Alright.
Bye.
Yeah. Ready?
There, Logan.
What, girl?
You good?
Yeah, me. Nothing. What?
Me say me dey come look for you.
We have blow saw that time.
No, girl, excited.
What?
Not time, I'm so glad I'm left out. So anyways, girl, you saw me say on the road.
Who?
Rowan.
You're too lie.
Yes.
So when say to you?
Just say hi. That time I did need.
You can see a little smile gone all the way around your
Yes.
too.
But I'm like run for a long time, you know, but when I focus on a man right now.
Right, you know, so
Mhm.
right.
So what going on in your life?
Girl, same regular something. Me and my little, you know, spooky and thing.
Oh.
Nothing too new. Even something long day, you know, but I've been here for a long time. You go like I said, we live. That's how we live?
I don't know, probably I hide things now.
No, girl, me not end up friends.
Oh.
Me not fast, but what going for your mother?
Sure. You'd have to bring up back that now.
Girl, come on. No, every time we have one conversation with her about where your mother going with someone you know.
So, you could have make a conversation be about us this time, but anyways.
Where your mother going?
Me left my mother and her man around up a yard there.
The same little.
Yes, the little boy. He young, I don't even remember his name. I don't even like him. He was like the rest of them. And he walk like him bossy and he never just up in some suit, like him rich.
No, sir. Then where your mother see that little pick me? You have money?
Mommy said he have money, so he must have money.
You ever see him with money?
No, I don't even see with him and carry it.
And he have car?
Yeah, but mommy going like mommy talk about him car all the night time. Woman asleep and I talk about the man. He had go in bed and dream about the man.
Someday your mother, you know. Sometimes I feel like say she mad.
No, much mad.
So what do I?
Crazy.
Right.
She fall in love with one young boy. Must have know that she a young boy.
Well, you know, me not blame her or your father do her so.
Well, she must know. She must know if she want man make she date young boys.
Boy, he rough.
Could have be the boy mother. God go with her. When God ready for her, she will know. God go with her.
You better not say them do something to her, you know. She whip up your neck.
I don't even talk when she talk. I always listen.
Good, because me no want to forget one phone call I hear say me have to go look for your life is somebody because.
Correct. Look for my mother. You know everybody mix up going with Stacy.
What's up with Stacy again?
Stacy up the road, man.
Who are going with Stacy?
Stacy man Garbon.
Stop lie.
No, it's true.
Stacy whatever swear for your man, sir?
Yes, Stacy whatever they swear. You say Stacy find out, Stacy drop gun. You say she drop off of the big and roll good on top.
You say you lie now?
I don't like me I tell. Stacy
Say God no.
God no. Stacy find out say man a game bun. And all she do is ball.
But me one day for the girl Benz because me ever see my fool around him, you know.
I could have asked that to you know. I could all that.
She lucky she ever swear for man like say her neighbor her man cut her neighbor chick. Me don't even know if a man or woman cut her neighbor chick though. She love man too much. What day me go tell her say her man down the road with Benz. You know what she tell me say me feel lock me I am my
Yeah, that's what she do.
me should have had that. Me should have had
Come on, you're going to her
enough.
No, she could have in her mind say, you want her man.
Then I one of them man there. I'm like, I must see piece of car where man a drive full her.
Do you like him man one time in a high school though? In high school you like him one time?
Me never like him.
What did they do then?
You're too lying.
Every time you
him
see him,
like me,
yeah,
come
skin teeth.
Girl, stop it. Me never like him.
Well,
my friend, me like him. Friend be cute.
Oh,
He look like him.
so never like nobody.
You never. Repeat what I just said. You never like nobody?
No, me never like nobody.
Don't make me have to bring back history. Because you know.
Get on right, yes, and I'm bringing up further. I can say this.
Yeah. You're downstairs? Alright, I'll come. Girl, we have to go catch up on other time.
So you have your left now?
Come on,
How
man.
long you feel so happy?
You know, we always a chat. Come, me have to go
have to go
downstairs.
back
Come
up
on.
me yard. No, Jesus. Stop.
You want company riding me then?
You know me can't company with me.
Then we have complain for me. Not say we catch up on next time. Ciao.
Come go.
Yeah, me really like it interior, so I have to change the color of it.
Oh, okay. Kayla! Come now, you're not ready yet. Look how long me call you. I saw she's showing up. Alright, so you ready now?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, so this is how you go do now, right? You go and you go collect your money.
Yes.
Right? Remember, me already tell her what you need to tell them say something, so you
Yeah,
go collect your money. Right?
Anyways, differently from that is 2,000 US I go pick up for me, see me?
Alright.
So I just pick up here and then you come back a foot.
Yes, come back home.
Your mom send her a checking number on her phone so she can handle it.
Alright.
Alright, my phone in my bag.
Alright. You can check your phone in the next 5 minutes.
Alright. Bye bye.
Alright, and what? Go down, be safe now.
Yeah.
Hold on for your bag.
I'm glad to she go and deal with this too.
Mm-hmm.
You know, all of she come back in time because I don't want to go on the road. Matter of fact, babe, just see when money forward, I just link me in, come here, go on the right now, go. Do that thing, you see me?
Alright.
So,
Later.
I'm look forward to this.
Kayla, when I come get one jack mackerel, I want pound of flour here. Yeah. Remember now? Alright.
Come back, mommy.
That was quick.
Sit here. Put it in the bag.
Alright.
See, alright?
Yeah, me alright. I get the flour and the mackerel.
Yeah, everything in the bag.
Nice, perfect. Alright.
Yeah, I'll go in.
So I'm gonna suck boss man feel say I get one of this money. Yeah. Not at all.
So I'm reaching my short, is it?
Yeah, alright babes, later.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, hey, me, what's up? Yeah. What's up, babes? I don't know, babe. Me go have to ask her about it. I sleep, you know.
Sorry for you, Justin, but it's a true because type of thing, and me I realize say, about quarter it half, and me I say, me not understand. You understand? Yeah, I understand some miscarriage thing one, but
What?
somebody shot, I'm not know what one.
So, you say quarter, so that means around 50,000? I don't know, me I got ask. Me I forgot ask.
No, 50 exactly, 45.
Sabi, so apart from the money we give me, a 45 is a missing.
Apart from the money, 45,000 is different from the money we get. The money we get don't.
Oh, Jesus, no, me as a still at me have one instant headache. Me can't take a problem, you know. Me I think I ask care and Jesus. Me not what
That's a man, dear, that's a man. I know I'm not procedure. Doesn't mean I really stress up yourself. I just have to know say you have somebody funds. Me say, I don't know if you kill yourself, boy, isn't it? Because I like I had the only first, I had the first what it is happening. Isn't it? So as I said, I can know say you have somebody funds.
me still a gonna ask. Me still have to ask. Me go call her back.
No, man. Alright, dear things. Don't worry about that, no, man. I make that tree pressure. Isn't it, babes?
Alright, babe.
Alright, now look a bit.
Yeah. Kayla,
Yes, I'm here.
come here, baby.
Yes, I'm here.
You want to know? You see, anybody at all
Yeah.
ask about no money, no matter who, just tell them say you.
Which money?
You no worry about it, just tell them say you.
Mommy,
Yeah.
me don't know about no money.
You hear me say?
Me not tell nobody that. Me tired. Me not tell nobody that.
Listen to me.
Mommy.
You hear me say? Me can't afford to lose suck box, you know.
What? What the fuck is this? Me not do nothing.
Wait, but
Me know me go and do, 'cause me never take no money.
what you mean by? You know, so that girl are really a pass her place though, lad. Eh? Eh? A little girl will tell me, say, leg off him. Me feel leg off her. Eh?
I'm telling you.
Oh, where they go?
Me not tell you, mommy.
Where they go, little girl? Come and stop. What?
Mommy, me not tell you, mommy. Me not tell you. Me not tell you. Me tired. Me not tell you. You treat me too bad. You treat me too bad. Me not tell you.
Kayla, come to me.
Me not tell you, mommy. Call swag boss.
Jesus mercy. What am I going to do now? Oh, God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nonchalant,
What over yard?
are you happy
Alright, come check me then
with
now.
how we ended?
Alright.
Is it warm enough in the bedsheet? Oh, so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Is it my fault? I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you
Kayla, come.
I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart.
Kayla, what happened?
Fell in love
Don't even believe what happened.
so why you fell
What happened?
You don't even understand.
What you mean we wouldn't understand? What happened? Where you go with bag and something? What happened?
But that's all.
Me nah get what you say this dip on your camera, if you talk to me, you talk to me.
Tell him. Remember the other day I call and tell us say, your man da look me or something.
Right.
You wanna know say, he come like say the man go tell him. Tell mommy say me I look him. So mommy beat me off, mommy beat me come out heretic. Yes, and then I know mommy said we go collect money for the man. We collect the money, come like mommy take out the man when the man ask what it. Mommy go talk about me fi say me take the money.
She serious?
Yeah. Mommy say me fi say me take the money.
And she beat you for that too?
No, she not doing me, we just pack up and leave. You wouldn't understand me, I come straight home.
All of this now, process. What you mean you pack up and leave? Pack up where you go? What accommodation are you saying? Oh, we are going to stay with me. Remember, say me have my man who come look for me no one day. Oh, you going to stay with me, Kayla?
Well, me I go, because
You never
back
think.
home. Through before you give me put at the house. And that thing, but I feel cool. Come, I couldn't take it no more. Can't take him, man. I'm frustrated and...
See your mother knows you live outside yard?
Yeah, she did it and I pack up my things and I come out.
So, you don't think it true, you don't know which part you go. You are going to go back her yard now. She not going to run you out.
No, I'm taking that stay with you.
Kayla, I promise you, say me go and look the work for you. You know, come through it when I get back in the car. You cannot stay with me. You can't stay with me. I have to go back to your mother.
Alright.
You have to just endure whatever I want. You know. Let me tell you, you need to get a plan. Alright. If you want your mother to stop beating you, come off your back and in her so-called boyfriend, whatever, you need to come up with a plan. It's either when this man had put words to you, that you go video him, one voice note something. But your mother not gonna believe you. Probably even if you make the video, she still not gonna believe you. Why? Because your mother is so naive. I don't know what to say about her.
No, but I forgot first my own problem for my own.
Me gonna call you and tell you whenever me get back the car if you get the work. But for now, you have to go just endure whatever you go through. I'm sorry.
Well, when I get up from here, so anywhere my feet them lead me.
Yeah, that home you have to go. Home.
Me not believe say me I go home, but me might take your advice and go home. But me not promise you say at home me I go.
Where you say I go you have somebody else?
Anyway, me folk them lead me and them me I go.
Fine.
Father God will provide.
For go home.
God will provide.
Go
Later.
home.
I don't think so. Bye-bye.
Don't even know what you want.
Well, we don't know what going on in your life, you know. You confuse me, confusing first.
Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know your role? I dream you're nothing special, but I could never believe that. But you let me put on that dress that was purple. That you only stay 'cause you hate being hurt for love. Oh God, oh, what are you saying? You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I had plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool. January, only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know your role? I dream you're nothing special, but I could never believe that. But you let me put on that dress that was purple. That you only stay 'cause you hate being hurt for love. Oh God, oh, what are you saying? You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I had plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla? Turn around, let me see you. Okay, I think this is the right description that I get. Take your bag and come. I'm going to take you off the street. Just come. We'll talk about this when we get home because the rain is coming down. Let's go. Let me help you. Come, let's go, let's go. Somebody told me about you, that you in need of help, and I'm here to help you. My name is Verona, right? I'm taking you by my home. You're going to be okay, right?
Okay, Verona.
We can shelter right here. Get some shelter. Ooh. Oh God. You can see that the rain is falling, so we have to shelter right here, okay? So we're just giving the rain some time, and as soon as it calm down a little bit, then we can go home, right? Hello? Hello? Yeah.
The next thing, just gonna say nothing really thing I say, I don't mention nothing about, don't mention my name to or anything like that.
Okay, no problem, but why though?
As we say, don't mention nothing but none of that.
All right.
If I already know me can talk and also later.
All right, no problem. I won't. I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
That was my son on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's go now.
You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I had plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart.
This is where I live, yeah? You can come inside and you don't have to be shy. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. All right. You can put your slippers over there. You see rain and fall on the veranda wet up, you know, so you have to understand. When the rain finish, we just wipe off the veranda.
Okay.
All right, hold on a second. I'm gonna get the mop so you can wipe off your foot here.
Yes.
Just give me less than a minute.
Okay.
Here,
Hmm?
just wipe your foot on this.
Okay.
All right. Problem, no problem. You can have a seat, you know. You can sit down. Feel at home, man. Don't worry yourself.
Nice.
Thank you. You alright?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself. Just feel free. Feel like you're there, your own home, your personal home. So anything that you need, you can tell me, right?
Okay.
Anything you want, just ask me for it. As long as I have it, I'll give it to you. I'm going to try and to look about something so you can get something to eat here.
Yeah.
I did already have some food around there, so I'm just gonna warm it up in the microwave and let you get it. Okay. You can put down the bags, you know. Put them down. Put them at the corner. And come and have your food now. Hope you enjoy your meal. Come over here. Sit down. And make sure you pray before you eat. Hear me?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Somebody told me about you. The person told me that you're in need of help. And I think that I'm the perfect person who can help you. Because I can see the first time I met you on the street that you're in need of help. and I'm here to help you with anything that you need. Feel free to ask for whatever you need, right?
Okay.
Enjoy your meal. Remember to pray first. Right? Right.
Father God, as I come to you today, I ask you.
Enjoying your meal?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you from? I didn't get the chance to ask you on the street because I didn't want anybody to hear what I was asking you and for you to get, you know, a little way down or feeling insult. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just gonna ask you a few questions if you don't mind. Where are you from?
I'm from Petersfield.
So what about your mom and your dad?
My father, I never really grew up with my father. He never really around. I grew up with my mommy. My mommy named Poochie.
Huh?
My mommy named Poochie.
And what's your dad's name?
I really know.
So
I grew up with him.
You don't know nothing about them?
I don't really know nothing about my father, but I know about my mother.
Okay.
My dad grew up with my
All
father.
right, don't worry about it. That's okay. I'll talk about this another time. Yeah, enjoy your food.
Okay.
I'm going around by the room, and then after you finish, I'll show you your room where I'm gonna let you sleep. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Enjoy your meal?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Miss Fiona, can I ask you one question?
Go ahead. Feel free.
How you really help me?
Just give me a minute. Let me move this. All right. I need to set them different after we finish eat. Okay. Yes. So sometimes I like to change up the place, you know. Yes. So it look unique and nice. Okay. The question that you asked me, why did I help you? Okay. My life is history. I've been through a lot of stuff in real life, and I do understand needs and wants. You understand?
Yes.
My mother, she have a lot of children, but there's no father. It's so sad to talk about it, but I'm gonna definitely tell you what I've been through. Some, not all, because my life is a history. As I said before, it's a book, a big book, and it's not easily to read. It would take you years to finish read my book of my life story in the past. I mean, when I said a lot. I meant sufferation, like hunger, real hunger. We have to eat dumpling and butter. So I try to have this in my heart from a tender age that when I grow up, I'm going to try to help many people that I can, because my life was rough. It was tough. I didn't have it. I get sleepless nights. As I said, I sleep on the street. I have no help. Only God was there for us. I don't know how we make it different from God helping us, else we couldn't make it. And I wouldn't be here today that I can help somebody like you. It is so sad. I can't believe that I've been through so many stuff and God bring me this far. So let me tell you something. Don't give up on life. God is there for everybody. He's in control. Your mother maybe not have it. Your father maybe neglect you. But don't give up. I am a woman. You're a woman. When I say you're a woman, I know you're a lady, you're a child. I do understand. But if you can feel or see where I'm coming from in my past, you will understand. But God is going to be there for you all the way. Don't give up. Okay?
Miss Verona, it come like it have it hard in your time. I'm sorry, yeah?
Yes, I did have it real hard. So I try my best to help everybody that I can. Anything that you need, as I said to you before, when you just came in,
Yes.
just ask for it. As long as I can give it to you, I will. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Yes. I'm gonna let you see the room that you're going to sleep in, right?
Okay.
But first, tell me a little bit about yourself and why you were on the street.
Okay. My story not as sad as yours. You see, my mother, I don't know what to say about her, but she did there with this young boy. My mother treat me bad. Picture when she sent me to school, when she sent me to school, I put her school, I never get no subject or nothing like that. So I asked her if she make me go back in her school, but she never did want me go back in her school. She did want me go work at one bar which part she work. She started tell me about man and what they can give me, and I never like that. And then she all take away the man money and want blame it on me. And she make me and man sleep in a bed together. She did feel uncomfortable. I will pass something me go through. Me just don't want to talk about it.
I understand. But don't worry. I've been through a lot and I passed the worst. Who God bless, no man curse. If God can help me, God can help you too.
Yes, God help me.
Just don't give up.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Let me show you your room. Come, let me show you your room. Oh, the plate. Oh, you ate everything. I like that. I think you were a little bit hungry. Okay, no problem. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright. This room,
Yes.
it was my son's room. But you know when them get big and them feel like they're ready to go up on their home, we as mother can't do nothing about it. We have to just allow them. You understand?
Yes, I
Let
understand.
them go explore and enjoy the world and face all what they want to face out there, the consequences. You understand? But he already know that whenever time he want to come and visit me, he can come. But don't worry, this room is yours and yours forever. You understand?
Yes.
He's not gonna come and sleep here. He's not living here anymore. So this is your bed. Go on.
Thanks.
You can go on it and
No, in the bed.
you wanna have your shower before you go on the bed?
Yeah, but it look lovely and nice.
Thank you.
And thank you for everything you do for me here.
You're welcome.
Enough people would help me.
Thank you, honey. Oh, you're such a lovely girl.
Thanks.
I'm going to show you motherly love, fatherly love, every love that you never get in your whole life.
Thanks.
Right? Okay. Love
you too.
When you're ready, the bathroom is on the right, so you can just go in there and use it and have your shower, right? I'm going to go inside the kitchen and get the plates washed, right?
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to wash the plates.
Okay. Hello?
Hey baby, where are you?
Mommy?
Yes, Kayla, where are you? You know, see, I have me worried. Me can't eat, me can't sleep, nothing. Where the Kayla?
Mommy, mommy.
Come on.
Mommy, I don't have time for this right now, mommy. Me alright. Me don't have time for all of this.
Just come on, Kayla. Come on, me want to say you're alright, Kayla. Just come. Come on, me baby, please. Mommy, I'm anxious. You're alright, Kayla. Just come home.
Mommy, me alright now, mommy. Everything is fine. God provide for me. Bye-bye.
I overheard your conversation. I'm not mad at you. That's okay. But you told me you're 19. That means you're an adult. So at the end of the day, you have a choice to choose whether you want to stay or to go back to your mother. You understand?
Yes, I want to stay.
I'm not going to run you away. I will not run you away, right? But what I wanted you to do is to continue to communicate with your mother by calling her, talking to her, let you feel love of a daughter to a mother, right?
Okay.
Next thing I wanted you to do is to give me her number so I can get in touch with her.
Alright.
And you don't have to really explain anything more. If she done anything bad to you or whatever, you feel bad to go back home to her, that's okay. That's fine. I understand. But just show your mother love. You understand?
Okay, Miss Verona.
You can say Auntie Verona. That's fine. You're my family now.
Okay. I just don't want to go back home.
That's okay.
I'm traumatized and me digging.
I understand. Don't worry about it. I'm here for you, okay? All right, but remember to get in touch with your mother, right?
Yeah, me call her at daytime. Me she say me alright.
All right, just give me your number. Okay. I'm gonna get in touch with her. But remember to call her all the time.
Okay, I will call her.
Because I can hear her voice. It sounds very sad and she miss you real bad. Okay?
So why should that treat me bad when me did it?
I don't know, and I don't want to go through that. I can hear her voice in the background. It sounds real sad. I heard it. Don't worry. Just be happy, right? Okay.
Hello?
Kayla,
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, thank God. Girl, why you not answer the call here? Why you not calling for just right here?
The phone dead.
So where are you?
Javier, don't worry yourself. Me alright. Me there somewhere well comfortable. But you didn't want to help me. Somebody help me.
Could you enter the time, Kayla? Oh God, you can't blame me.
No, me not blame you. I met her something alright, girl. Everything well alright.
You know what you're gonna get station for you?
No, she got station for
When
me.
you want to get a bleaching report for you, Kayla?
Me no miss her. Me alright.
Yeah, you don't know what to think. So, where are you? Let us tell me for you now.
No, 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 no. Me well comfortable.
Right. You just want to say alright.
Girl, me alright.
Sure, you're good.
Me great, everything good. God make it
You're
work
sure
out.
there's nobody I will be with you?
Nobody now want me hostage. We good.
Sure, I'm pleased. When we call you, just answer, please.
Yes, me have current no. Remember say up on the roadside me did there one at a time, you know. You wouldn't know cause you never help me. You put your man over me.
Girl, just don't make it sweet that way, okay?
Okay, you good though.
No, we're not being for you, alright.
Yeah, one end there me look for you, but I don't know.
Alright, just make sure I'm call me, alright?
Alright, later.
Alright.
Javia, in the time of need, you really tell me what kind of friend you be. Couldn't believe it, no sir. Thank you, Father God.
Hello? This is Miss Verone speaking. I have your daughter here with me. Okay. I found her on the street. And I don't like that kind of lifestyle for a young girl. And she told me that she's 19. Is that really true? You know, they're taking advantage of the young girls on the street. And I don't like that idea to see a young girl on the street strain. And, you know, men will take advantage of them, abusing them. You know what I mean? So I just have her with me and I just concerned about the lifestyle that she's living. And I want you to know that she's here with me. So please feel free. If you want to call this number, this is my number, and get in touch with me to speak to her, or you could call her number. No problem. She's here with me and she's okay. She can come by you anytime she wish, or you can come and visit her too. No problem. What? Why are you going to call the police? What did I done wrong? She was on the street. And I just tried to help. I didn't do anything to her. I'm not harming her. I just told you that you can come and visit. I can give you the address. That's fine with me. Like, seriously? I did not do your daughter anything. I just tried to help. Because I know what in need and want is. Because I have experience of needs and wants. What did you call me just now? Really? And you don't know me from anywhere? Like, seriously? Ma'am, I do not want to disrespect you on the phone. I'm an adult. I do understand how you felt. You're feeling upset. But it's fine to talk to me in a better manner. You don't have to curse. Ma'am, can't you have a proper conversation with somebody? Like, seriously? I'm so sorry. You need to get some reasoning ability in your head and know how to talk to people. I'm an adult and your daughter is 19 and you just told me that she is 19. So she's free to stay if she wants, and she's free to come and look for you whenever time she wants. I ain't gonna force her to stay with me. Now I can see that something is really going on in that family. There's a big problem there and you need to solve it. You're the mother. This girl is so traumatized. Like seriously? She really hung up on me? Huh. That's okay. No problem. Kayla? Just up a little bit. I just spoke to your mother and I definitely do not like the way how she speaks to me.
I'm sorry about that.
She's ignorant. But I can understand. I'm not upset with you.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get mad at you, right? Okay. But if you want to go by her, feel free to go. You can come back by me anytime.
Miss Lauren, I do not want to go by my mother. I'm okay here.
Oh, you're okay here. I knew
Yes.
that. I already know. But she's upset. She wants you to come by her to come and live. And I can definitely see that she's so sad and she needs you back home.
No, she not sad, Miss Lauren. She alright.
But I can hear it. I can hear the voice way down. Sadness coming out. She's getting upset. She's getting real mad.
My mother is a very good pretender.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
But please do not put me out.
I won't. Don't worry about it.
I really like it here, okay? And if I never left your passport, could I show you say me I'm 19. But I true me left it then I'm my mother.
Don't worry about it, Kayla. I believe you.
Okay.
She just told me that you're 19. You don't have to show me. Don't worry about the passport. You understand?
Yes.
But you can call your mother and talk to her, right?
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna stay with me. Don't worry. But I'm going to get a shower now. You know, from I've been home all day. I've been working, going around the house, taking up this and that. I'm tired now, and I think I need to have a shower.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have my bath, right?
Right.
All right, cool. Oh, Kayla?
Yes?
The TV's right there. You can turn it on. You know the power button. You're 19.
Yes.
You understand the remote, right? You can turn it on and watch whatever you want.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, feel free. Hello? I'm at home, my son. Yes, Junior. I'm at home. Yes. With your new sister. Come and let me introduce her to you. Yes, I'm here. Okay, my dear son. That was my son. He's coming over to say hi to me, so I'm going to introduce you to him, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what are you watching?
Movie. Lifetime movie.
Lifetime movie? So you're enjoying it?
Yes.
Okay, let me sit beside you and see what you're watching. I love to watch Lifetime. Okay.
Mama,
The grill is open. Come inside.
hold on, mommy. Good.
Alright.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Who is that? Junior?
Yeah, me.
Come in.
What I do a call, sir? Can I come in?
Yeah, you can come.
Yeah, call. Do a call, sir. So I'm going good?
What happened?
No, some day I don't matter. But anyways, when I come picture differently, but is remember I was just saying I always want to help people. Yeah, my been a past this girl up by Rolling River. But everybody I tell me say she homeless. And she not have nowhere to go and she always go away and come back there, go away and come back there. So it's true you always want to help somebody. Me think say you're the helper, right? She dey in our grey blouse and you have pink stripe around them place and she have 2 boxes like she have luggage. But she say I always want to help people because you're a woman of God and yeah, so I'm just a tell her. So this is your opportunity to be the person that you say you want to be.
Okay. So, can I go up by Roaring River?
Yes.
How far do I have to go? Do I have to ask question where she?
Mommy, it's when you go rolling river, rightish part, the 2 bar there, the canteen about them, the girl right there say, long hair girl with the 2 bags, you can't miss her.
Okay.
Yeah, but anyways, you know, I say, we not go tight. Where you going there? And I'm not around there. What happened? Me can't tie. You understand? Me just come for make you know. Make you try to be a saver today, so. I call you and make you know and find out if you reach to her and you get her to come. So I call you. Or you call me and make me know when you pick her.
No problem.
Alright.
I'm gonna check and see if I find her, right?
Alright. Later.
Okay. Boy, Father God, I'm gonna go right now and check. Because I always imagine and dreaming that I need a daughter. So I'm gonna leave right now. Yes. You two know each other?
No, mommy. No, know her. I really know her. No, know her. Long time.
This guy is not easy at all. He stole the lady car and then called the police on her. Like, seriously? OMG.
Veronica, I'm gonna use the bathroom. We'll have to use the bathroom.
So my son, which one of the breeze blow you here now?
Well, you know, so still mother no breeze and really blow me come here now, but if you cuss me off the last time I tell me say maybe you change how me and live and if you do better. Yeah. Yeah, look pan in, so I say I stay out there for a while. More while me even say when I get my apartment and come back as a film, but yeah, about to come visit her, so I just want, you know, so I miss my mother, but I can give mother a check and thing, you know, see if you come on, you say me dash you, no me and you cuss, you cuss me, but as a mother word that it will happen, as long as you have a mother, it will happen, so me know, watch no face, you know, because you don't know you're my mother already.
I understand. All right. Okay, Junior. Thank you to introduce me to this young girl, right? And that was nice of you to telling me about her so I can get her off the street because young men like you, we have to protect these young girls from men like you at your age. And another thing, I was supposed to call you to talk to you about this, you know. You know I always do, but it's been a while. And that thing that you're doing, you need to stop.
I stop going to the money for a game, yeah, talk about me not come up to talk about the game. I understand the game and the game, I don't know, say the game have to play. If I play the game right, you go win. If I play the game right, you understand?
Listen to me. Don't let me get upset on you, right? You know that I'm in my church. And I do not want you to speak like that under this roof. You understand me?
Don't worry, mate.
You need to get a job and stop doing what you're doing. It is not right. Because I don't want to be in my sleep and police calling me, telling me that they hold my son down by the station for something that is wrong. So I'm not going to support you with what you're doing.
Mommy.
You need to stop and find yourself a job.
Mommy.
It's not right. You're just saying mommy, mommy all the time.
So listen
I'm
to me now.
constantly talking to you about this. And it's like you're hearing me, but you're not listening to me. You need to listen.
Yeah,
find
man.
yourself a job.
You don't say me respect, you know.
I know, but you do not respect yourself because as far as I can see, you don't care if you end up in jail.
Listen,
What
mommy.
you're doing is wrong. You need to stop, please.
Alright, you hear me I say. You see out there now, you see young youth like we, nobody not busy about we. You understand? You ever go on the road and you see one two vendor, I sell this and I sell that. I try to make money because life hard. You understand? You come closer to you so you can hear me I say.
This woman is a big woman. For you, she can be your mother. And if you never know, or if you want to know how I heard about this, my church sister told me about you and that woman.
So mommy,
Why don't you look somebody your size or your age group? You know, the both of you can like sit down and talk about your future and plan to live a better life and stop doing what you're doing. Every way and every step of your life that I'm talking to you about, you're wrong.
So mommy, I can ask you one question.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
You go to church now?
Yes, I do.
And your church is your settle?
I don't want to go back through that.
So how when you go and like you act like say church people that mix up? The church
No,
sister
no.
mix up, you know?
No. That is my church sister. You need to understand that she's an adult and she already knew that you're my son.
Yes, mommy.
I don't think she's mixed up.
Anyways, mommy, you know for you talking and the lecturing because every time I come over here, you have something to say about the game mommy I do. But anyways, now you take me come empty handed, you understand? So tomorrow, hold on for this, you understand?
Hold on. What?
I give me
Hold
have this
on,
money.
what?
And I give me have a big ben.
Hold on what?
Money, mommy.
Like seriously, Junior,
Yeah, girl.
you know that I am not going to take that money.
Mommy, sometimes you have to swallow
That
your
money
pride,
that is in your hand, you get it dishonest. That is a dishonest money.
Mommy, me never steal, you know? I never steal.
Dishonestly, yes.
Mommy, them give me willingly.
Whatever you're doing is stealing. And I don't want it. I'm not interested. And you know that I'm not going to take it. Why are you forcing the money on me?
Mommy.
I'm not hungry.
Yeah.
You need to take it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Moya, get the girl something, you understand?
Me, get the girl some. Take it up.
Mommy, stop going.
Else I'm going to burn it. What?
Mommy, what you have to burn? You know
What did I say?
What if you burn money?
What did I say just now?
Mommy, why you want to burn the hard working money when me work for?
Did you work for it?
Mommy,
Question.
me have to talk 5, 6, 7, 8 hours a day before me can get $1.
Like seriously?
You know how that hard? Me?
It was nice talking to you. Nice seeing you again.
Oh,
I hope you stop doing what you're doing and change your lifestyle. I'll follow you. Okay? Have a nice day.
You know, mommy, I them type of way.
No problem, because listen.
Yes.
You know what?
You're good
That's
still,
okay.
you know?
Go on. Go ahead.
Love you, same way, your mother.
Love you too, but you need to stop do what you're doing. Kayla? Kayla, come here.
Come in.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Where's your school?
Oh, he just left.
Okay.
Kayla,
Yes.
you know my son?
No. Never seen before in my life.
Okay. Kayla,
Yes.
the reason why I asked you if you know my son is because everybody know him. And I don't know if you heard anything about him. You understand?
Yes. No, nothing about you.
Okay, no problem. Just asked him.
In the bed she also slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking.
Okay, Kayla,
Yes.
I'm thinking about you last night that I wanted to start to attend church. So I'm gonna get you some church clothes, right?
Okay, no problem.
Yes. And you don't need to feel any way when you go to the church because there's a lot of young people in the church who are trying to change their life and be a better person. So you can do so. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Good. Anyway, I need this thing. Maybe to go over on that side tomorrow because I'm gonna have some visitors. So maybe I'm gonna change these flowers and this vase. You understand? And put a different one in it.
Would I help you?
You can, no problem. Anyway, the drink was nice. Hang on. I'm getting a call. Oh. Hello, Sister Joy. How are you doing? I'm blessed. Thank you. Okay, so you want me to teach Sunday school? That's not a problem. Yes. No problem. Okay, I'll be there in the morning. No problem. Yes. I'll call you back. No problem. Thank you. Kayla?
In the bed she also
Kayla, you okay?
Did I ask for too much?
Kayla?
Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married.
Oh my God, you're chewing up, Kayla.
Don't even know what you want.
Come here. Let me talk to you.
I made plans for us in
Have a seat. Careful. Kayla,
Yes.
how you feeling?
Alright.
You're not okay. You're throwing up. I'm just wondering if it's the fruit punch that you just drank. Maybe it's expired or something. You want me to take you to the doctor?
No.
You're not okay. I'm gonna have to take you to the doctor, okay?
No, I don't feel like I'm going to doctor.
No, I have to take you to the doctor. I'm not gonna have you here sick and just looking at you like that. You need to see the doctor.
Maybe a bad stomach.
Well, we can't know that until we see the doctor, okay? I definitely have to take her to the doctor. This is serious. Kayla,
Yes, Auntie.
I'm going to ask you some personal questions. Okay? I'm a woman. And when we women have or see certain signs, is only one thing come to our mind. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I need you to tell me the truth. Okay? Are you sexually active?
Not really.
Not really? Not really. Kayla, look at me. Look at me. You can trust me to tell me anything. I may be not your biological mother, but remember, you're with me and I'm responsible for you. Anything happen to you, you can feel free to talk to me about it. It's fine. I will listen to you. I won't harm you. I'm not going to drive you away from my home. Remember, you're like a daughter to me, and I love you dearly. So I believe that you can have the heart to believe that you can trust me to tell me anything. Okay?
Yes, Auntie Varuna. We could tell you, but me never tell nobody, not even my closest friend, because I did feel shame. One time, my mother did make somebody stay in my room with me, and certain things happen, and I never tell nobody.
So, that thing that you're talking about, it was unprotected?
Yes, I never use anything.
No protection, nothing?
Nothing at all.
I have a strong feelings that you're pregnant. Those symptoms that you're seeing and feelings, I don't really want to assume, but those are the signs of pregnancy. So I am going to take you to the doctor, but before I take you to the doctor, I'm going to go to the pharmacy and get you a pregnancy test.
Okay.
To make sure, okay?
Okay, Miss Veronica.
But don't worry, I'm here for you. All right. I'm going inside my room, yeah?
Okay.
Don't worry. But if anything happens, I'm going to have to let your mother know. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Isn't my fault, I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married.
Auntie,
Yes, I'm here.
you can't come in.
Okay. I thought the door closed with the key.
No.
All right. Oh my God. I'm so tired.
Alright?
Yes. It was a long day out there, but I got the pregnancy test for you. Have you ever used it before?
No, Auntie, no.
Okay. This is the pregnancy test. So you need to go inside the restroom. Okay?
Yes.
And you're gonna get one of the disposable cup that you see underneath the cupboard, right?
Yes.
Then you urinate in the cup. Disposable cup is inside the bathroom, right? After you finish urinating the cup, you're going to tear this here, open it, and take out this thing, feel it. There's a thing in there that is going to say whether you're pregnant or not. Okay?
Okay.
So make sure you pour it inside the thing. After you finish, urinate inside the cup. Take your little time. Don't mess yourself up. Then you take it to me. Okay?
Okay.
As soon as we're done and find out what's going on, you wash your hands with the soap and dry it with the towel. Remember to take it back to me after you're done, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.
See there, Auntie.
Oh my God. Kayla,
Yes, Auntie.
you're pregnant. You're going to have a baby. You are. See these two lines? That means that you're pregnant. If it was one line, you're not pregnant. But this proves,
Seriously, Auntie?
yes, this is proving that you're pregnant.
Seriously, Auntie. My future mash up.
Oh, so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault. I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you did.
Don't cry. Kayla, look at me. This is not the end of the world. Bringing a child in this world, it is a blessing. I know you didn't want to get pregnant at this time, but it is behind your control. Okay? But God is in control of everything. He knows what's best. So don't be scared. I'm here for you. I will help you straight to the end. Okay?
Okay, Auntie.
And God is with you. Always remember to pray. So when it's time for you to have your child, you have a safe delivery. Okay? And I love you, and I'm going to love your child too. Okay?
Auntie.
Okay, don't cry. Don't worry. You want something to drink?
Water.
You want water? That's what you're feeling for?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a minute. There you go.
Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, are you happy with how we end? Is it warm enough in the bed she also slept in? Did I ask for too much? Isn't my fault. I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used, Mr. Nonchalant. Thanks for keeping it so cool. Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, do you know you're all I dream of? You're nothing special, but I could never believe that. But you let me put on that dress that was purple. Did you only stay 'cause you hate being hurtful? Oh God, oh, what are you saying?
Kayla! What are you doing? Kayla, don't do that. Are you trying to harm yourself? Listen, anyone who try to harm themselves have no lot and part with God. Get down. Kayla, I told you that I'm going to be there with you until the end. I am going to help you. You do not have to do this to yourself. You're not taking only one life, you're taking two. And God will punish you. Do you want to go to hell?
No.
Huh?
No, Auntie.
Why did you follow the devil to do such a thing like this? Huh? The Lord said, anyone who do this to themselves, they have anything, nothing at all. He don't have anything to do with them. So if you do this, no one will come to your funeral. Because if the Lord said he has nothing to do with persons who do something like this to themselves, why should I go to the person's funeral? Kayla, I love you. It's okay. Everything is going to be okay. Listen, let's sleep in my room tonight. You don't have to be by yourself. Go in my room.
I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you fell amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being
Kayla,
Yes, Auntie.
you were supposed to come to church with me, but I know you're not feeling so well. I'm going to leave you now and go to church service, so take care of yourself. And anything you want to eat, you can go ahead and have whatever.
Okay, Auntie.
All right. Be careful, yeah?
Yeah, same to you, Auntie.
All right.
Who is it?
A Junior.
Junior. Who let you in here?
You can't tell me that. Am I mother place this, you know?
Your mother
Come
is not
anytime
here.
I feel like.
Your mother is not here, Junior.
Is a hug me come for?
Which hug? Let me go. Don't come no closer now.
What you doing, knife?
Tell them what they saw. No, come no closer now.
You know if you use knife?
Mr. Tell them what they saw, me say.
Throwing knife to my girl. What do you? Look how me good to you. You're there my mother place. You're sleeping in my room. You who are me, you know? I'm just... You can all thing you can do for me, I just...
Tell them what they saw, me say. Me now hug you, you know. Me now hug you.
Just a one.
One to the door, your mother not there, me say. Tell them what they saw.
My girl, relax now. Watch out. You see this? You see if this a fire, you know, no chance against me. Cause me can't turn over this and hurt you, know. You can't turn over this and hurt me. You understand?
Mama, have gold.
Mama,
show me.
Mama, man, me, she not road. You think me have to have me one prop. You think me have to have my burn up on me. If you got some man a chopper in the road. Put on a knife over this, my girl, and just give me one hug. Go on with me and go. I could have harmed you, and me not harm you. I just take one little friendly nice hug. And you be so.
Alright, one hug and go.
Put on a knife over this then.
Wait.
Put back in there where you get it from.
Put it there.
One hug, man.
Hold you up back now.
Break down a little bit. There. Come on, go in the room.
Leave me alone.
You stop me, my girl. Yo.
Tell me about this one. Hush.
You enjoy movie, man. So subscribe now, man. So, man, subscribe, man. See you button there.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.